People, if you don't know what going on with DAngel, some nudes are circling the net from off our OnlyFans, allegedly.
Photoshop images. They are photoshopped, right?
Some of them.
Some of them are photoshopped. So it is in fact, some of the photos that are out there are in fact your nudes.
Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man, a pushing at the traffic.
Yeah, people, so from yesterday, I beer things are going with DAngel, you know. Our picture them hit the net, and then she says she go to the police station. Now, today she go back live again with Dear Dream, and them did ask her some questions. So that piece of live that we just show you, that just not too long happen with Dear Dream, I'm have some more for show you, right? She talk about her son, them ask her about Beanie Man, them ask her about the Porsche where she go buy. So we are going to take time and go through it, and I'm going to show you some of my clips them. But before we go this, alright, I'm going to show you one video, or I'm going to make you hear, because she does video the radio. You see what I say? But them did talk about her on the radio, and I say she actually go at the police station, go report it, and she did talk a little bit too. She called them from the police station, I guess, so she did talk. So before we get into the part them what she do today, let's hear what happened yesterday when the picture them just leaked. So here goes, listen to this.
Dancehall DJ DAngel was forced to visit the Counter-Terrorism and Organized Crime Investigation Branch CTOC after a new set of nude pictures of the female entertainer hit social media. According to DAngel, she's unable to give details surrounding the latest saga, but confirms to Music News that she filed a formal police report. DAngel speaks with Music News while at CTOC in Kingston.
Right now, we know I'm reporting the matter. And that's all I can say. That's all I can say. The matter is not in my hands right now. It's being investigated. So person has to be careful. That's all I can say. The person has to be careful with this very sensitive situation. And I'm actually here at the crime unit reporting the matter. And that's all I have to say.
In July, when DAngel's OnlyFans page was first hacked, the Spanish Town entertainer, through her lawyer, issued a cease and desist letter.
So now hear what DAngel says. She says she actually go to the police and she reported. Now me don't know how these things work. You see what me I say? Me don't know who she report or exactly how it go. Like if she know who actually leaked them or what. You see me, but in the next part, she going to talk about OnlyFans. This is what happened today now upon Dear Dream Live, right? So she talk about OnlyFans and said she thought it was a safe platform, so she's surprised when the picture them leak. But she said, nevertheless, she just got studio and make song about it. You see what I say? So you know, say DAngel a big artist, so she just use that energy there and make song. Also, them ask her about the tip prices, right? So you know, say the picture did have grown. Also, the screenshot a show say she has sell some used panties, so them ask her about that. So you go hear what she answer. You see me? And then after that, now me I go tell you now what she say about Marco Dean, cause you know that's the big issue. Everybody asks about her son. I even that them I say, yo, Beanie Man, they talk about that. You know what I mean? And that teacher him ask him what there. And then all of a sudden, boom, this big thing going, you know what I mean? Now nudes leak again. Before it wasn't really nudes. It was like some picture, some lingerie, or you know what I mean? And she said somebody Photoshop it out. But them one, yeah, from what me I understand and I hear, it's actually nude. So let's hear what DAngel have to say. Here goes.
What I realize, people focus on what they deem or think is negative, and that's fine with me, because out of everything there's negative and there's positive, but you have to just know all to run with it. So when the pictures were leaked, the first set of pictures, I was alarmed because I thought that OnlyFans was a safe platform, you know. So when those pictures leaked, there was nothing better to do than go into the studio, put pen to paper, and write about it. I don't create negativity for myself. If people want to deem me negative or put out something negative about me or create something global about me and make it be negative, that's on their own.
There are, I guess it's some rumors that you're also in some way selling worn underwear.
Worn underwears?
Is that true?
Of course.
Okay. So that is true?
Yeah.
Okay. So one of our dreamers out there had asked the question, what shipping company is it that you use to ship the underwear, because they wanted to know if you shipped outside of Jamaica. So I have to ask the question because a dreamer asked the question. So I just wanted to know if that's the case. But you seem very busy. I think DAngel is taking a glam break right now. So we're giving her a moment to touch up. She's a
I am
model and
hot.
she never retires.
I'm on.
Okay.
Yeah, because in here is so hot. Anything you want to know about my OnlyFans, you have to sign up.
Okay. So
When
you're
you
not gonna
sign,
tell
when you
us.
sign up, you know where the shit, what it nah. But you have to sign up to know what's going on over there. Yeah, to know which way you can get your pants if you buy. Yeah, you have to sign up because anything that is out there on my tip menu, it's true. I'm not gonna deny my tip menu because it's what the consumer wants.
Photoshop images. They are photoshopped, right?
Some of them.
Some of them are photoshopped. So it is in fact, some of the photos that are out there are in fact your nudes.
Sign up on OnlyFans, baby. I can't leak myself. You crazy? You gotta sign up to know that. I don't speak.
So now hear what DAngel say. If you don't want to know the prices, or if you don't want to know if she do international shipping, if you don't want to buy one of the used panty, them you have to sign up on OnlyFans. She don't speak, right? So in one part now, when I'm not showing still, them ask her say if she feel like she go buy the Porsche for real. Cause whether you know what I mean, she visit one Porsche dealer, she did a video, and you know what I mean, she did a look like she go buy one Porsche. So DAngel stand up and show them on her shirt say expensive. She says she deserve everything that is good and expensive. You see me? So I guess we'll be seeing DAngel in our Porsche sometime soon. You know what I mean? Big up DAngel on that. Now in the next part, you know them ask her about her son because we know her say that is the big deal and the big issue. Everybody has said she's a mother and she make it clear like she not the only mother or the first mother to do these things. They also ask her if Beenie Man actively helping her parenting, you know what I mean, her son along with her, and she said, boy, you know what I mean, me I go leave that part then I couldn't hear what she said. Me not go tell you what she said about that. You see me? But me I gonna play that part the phone so you can hear what go on, and then we check in and then we close out the video. So here goes.
Because I'm here raising him, you understand, as a mother. So I let him understand and he respects women. You understand? Let him understand the pros and the cons and all the things then. And he understands, trust me. And he hugs me and he comforts me and he says, Mom, it's gonna be okay. So at the end of the day, I'm not degrading anybody that's out there, and even if you're a mother, because even on the same platform, there are everybody over there with me no subscribe. They are mothers. So what makes me different? I'm not Mother Mary. I'm not carrying the crown of all mothers of the world. So that doesn't make me different. I'm an entertainer, and he understands that, and he's gonna come with the territory. And before I'm born, and they go through it. So it's not because of OnlyFans DAngel is going through it. From before Marco didn't born in the fact that his parents are public figures, and you know things are going to happen, trials and tribulation. But I'm happy that he's strong, just like his mother. I'm so happy for that, and he understands because I'm going to him born till now. He come see mother, go through it. So I have to fight. So no matter what is happening, I'm not going to stop until I reach. And you're going to clap for the heavyweight champ because I'm going to get there.
You speak a lot about you being a mother and you having to do what you need to do for Marco. What is their status with Moses, Beenie Man? What is their status with it? Is it that he's not helpful?
I mean, at the end of the day, Moses is Marco's dad. No, that cannot change. And we're parents for an amazing child. But as a mother, I have to bear the weight of taking care of my child. You understand? So that's where that's.
So is he active in his life? Is he actively assisting you where parenting is concerned?
He's doing what he's doing, I'm doing what I'm doing. You understand? I'm not going to really speak on that too much, but whatever it is.
It is what it is.
It is what it is.
Basically, that's it. You know what I mean? After this, them start asking her about like Spice and thing, like what's the relationship with her and Spice since they have them followed. And she never really said nothing bad. She just say, you know what I mean? She just have focus on herself. She not really trouble nobody or nobody not trouble her. She had do her own thing and I make her money on OnlyFans. You see me? So people, what do you think about this? What do you think about what happened with DAngel and the whole idea of the OnlyFans? You know what I mean? She and her son and all of that. When I get in the comment section, I would love to hear opinion. You see what me I say? Good, bad, or indifferent. You see me? Everybody entitled to their own opinion. So big up on yourself. That is the end of the video, people. If it's your first time on this channel and you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe. If you just subscribe, welcome to the Dancehall IG family. Right? To all my long-time subscribers, thank you for being here. Keep on liking, sharing, and commenting. So everybody have a wonderful day, night, or whatever time it is, wherever you are. Thank you for watching. Big up on yourself. I'm out.
We got that one in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. 10 to blacks. Yadi.